In September of 2023, I completed one of the most insane and beautiful hikes in Norway that felt like another planet. And I'm going to show you guys how to get there and see it for yourself. This hike was part of my long 2.5 weeks travelling from the far south of Norway all the way up to Tromsø. After hiking and seeing so much beauty beyond words, we didn't think it could keep getting any better, but boy, were we wrong. Located in northern Norway, just a 3-hour drive from Tromsø, is the island of Senja, or alternatively, you are able to get here in 2 hours and 20 minutes if you take the boat from Brensholmen to Botnum. However, this is only available during the summer. In the small town of Fjordgard sits the trailhead for this iconic hike. To even get to this point, it is important to have a car with you and to park in the Fjordgard public parking lot, situated just a 5-minute walk away from the Hesten trailhead. Parking here will cost you about 250 krone or 25 euros for the day, and can be paid via the EasyPay parking app or via card. The Hesten hike itself is a 5.3 kilometer, 4-hour, moderately difficult return hike that I believe anyone can do if you take your time and are careful. I would recommend doing this hike early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid the crowds, and if you are going in summer, be prepared for a lot of bugs. It takes you from the town centre, up a steep muddy path until you eventually reach some precarious rock scrambling to get to the Hesten peak, overlooking the colossal Segla peak and the magnificent Senja mountain ranges beyond. With its steep cliff drop-off, this hike can be tough for anyone who may have a big fear of heights, so avoid getting anywhere near the cliff edge. The dramatic weather changes also makes for the most jaw-dropping views, which keep changing right before your eyes, so even if the weather is bad, just sit and wait and see it change before you. From the peak, there is also an option to make your way down to the ridgeline, where you can appreciate the grand scale of Segla Peak even more, which I highly recommend. Overall, this hike out of all the hikes we did in Norway was our favourite. Comparing the value of the views you get against the moderate effort to get to the peak, it blew the other hikes out of the park and was the perfect way to end our trip in Norway. It was like nothing else we had ever seen before. So, have I convinced you yet? If you guys would like to watch my whole 16-day guide video, link is down below. And if you want to have an even more comprehensive PDF travel guide that covers far more detail and comes with a complimentary Notion template and pinned Google Maps, link is also down below. Until next time, see ya.